Your body sends you signals every single day, signals most people ignore. That heavy feeling after lunch, that bloated stomach that makes your clothes uncomfortable, that constant thirst your body mistakes for hunger. Most people wake up tomorrow, look in the mirror, and see the same frustration they saw yesterday. They step on the scale and feel defeated. They try on clothes that used to fit and feel discouraged. They tell themselves they'll start eating better on Monday, but Monday comes and nothing changes. 3 months from now, you could still be carrying that same extra weight, still feeling that same discomfort, still searching for answers. Or you could understand what your body has been trying to tell you all along. I'm going to show you something today that most weight loss advice completely misses. This isn't about miracle cures or overnight transformations. This isn't another promise that will disappoint you in 2 weeks. But what I'm sharing works with your body's natural systems, not against them, and it's based on actual scientific research, not marketing hype. For years, I've researched natural approaches to weight management, especially for people whose bodies don't respond like they used to. Here's what medical research actually reveals. Hydration affects nearly every metabolic process in your body. A 2003 study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism showed that drinking 500 milliliters of water increased metabolic rate by 30% in both men and women. The effect started within 10 minutes and lasted over an hour. Think about that for a moment. Your body's calorie-burning machinery speeds up just from proper hydration. But here's the part researchers discovered next. Certain vegetables deliver hydration along with compounds that support this metabolic response even further. This message matters especially if you're over 50, if you've noticed your metabolism slowing down, if you sit for hours at work or home, if your body holds on to weight differently than when you were younger. Your digestive system may process food more slowly now. Your cells may retain more water. Your metabolism may burn fewer calories at rest. These changes are normal biology, not personal failure. Your hormones have shifted. Your muscle mass may have decreased. Your body composition has changed in ways that affect how you store and burn energy. You might remember when you could skip a few meals and drop 5 pounds easily, when you could eat what you wanted without gaining weight, when your stomach was flat in the morning without any effort. Those days feel distant now because your body operates under different rules. You don't need another restrictive diet that leaves you miserable and hungry. You don't need extreme exercise programs designed for 25-year-olds. You don't need expensive supplements with false promises. You need a strategy that works with your body's natural systems, respecting where you are right now. That's exactly what this approach provides. Before we continue, I want to connect with you. If this information resonates with you, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel so you never miss content that supports your health goals. Drop a comment below telling us where you're watching from. We love hearing from our community around the world. Your support helps us create more evidence-based health content. Let me explain how your body actually processes weight and bloating. This understanding changes everything about how you approach weight management. Think of your digestive system like a river flowing through your body. When the river flows smoothly, waste moves out efficiently. Everything stays clean and functioning. But when the flow slows down from poor hydration and low fiber, things back up. You feel bloated, your belly swells, your body holds excess water, the river becomes a swamp. Here's what happens at the cellular level. When you're dehydrated, even mildly, your body activates water retention mechanisms. It holds on to every drop because it thinks you're in survival mode. Your kidneys conserve water, your cells swell. The scale goes up, not from fat, but from water your body refuses to release. Research shows cucumbers are 96% water. They're not just water, though. They deliver that hydration bound with electrolytes like potassium. According to studies from Medical News Today, potassium helps regulate fluid balance in your cells and acts as a natural diuretic, meaning it assists your kidneys in flushing out excess sodium and water. One medium cucumber provides 442 milligrams of potassium. That's significant for reducing water retention and supporting healthy blood pressure. Potassium and sodium work like a seesaw in your body. When potassium goes up, excess sodium goes down, taking water weight with it. Lettuce works through a different pathway entirely. At 95% water, it adds almost no calories, but provides dietary fiber. Clinical nutrition research shows fiber creates bulk in your intestines, stimulating contractions that move waste through your system. This mechanical action is why fiber helps with regularity. This fiber also slows digestion in a beneficial way. When food moves through your system more slowly, you absorb nutrients better. You feel satisfied longer. Blood sugar spikes reduce. The likelihood of overeating at your next meal decreases significantly.
Now, here's the ingredient that makes this combination powerful: ginger. Ginger contains gingerol, a compound studied extensively for metabolic effects. A 2018 systematic review in Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition analyzed 14 randomized controlled trials with 473 participants. The results showed ginger supplementation significantly decreased body weight, waist-to-hip ratio, and fasting glucose levels. Another study published in Nutrition Reviews in 2024 found that ginger consumption reduced body weight by an average of 1.52 kilograms, with the most effective dose being 2 grams daily, taken for at least 8 weeks. The researchers found this wasn't just water weight. Participants showed actual reductions in body fat percentage. Gingerol increases thermogenesis, your body's heat production, which requires energy and burns calories. Think of it like turning up your body's internal furnace. The furnace needs fuel to create heat, and that fuel comes from calories you consume or stored body fat. It also supports digestion by stimulating gastric emptying, meaning food doesn't sit heavily in your stomach for hours, making you feel sluggish and bloated. Lemon adds vitamin C and citric acid. While research on lemon's direct weight loss effects is limited, the citric acid supports stomach acid production, which helps break down food more efficiently. Better digestion means better nutrient absorption and less bloating.
Here's exactly what you need and why each ingredient matters scientifically. First, 3 fresh lettuce leaves. Lettuce provides fiber without adding calories. 1 cup contains only 5 calories but gives you hydration and bulk that triggers fullness signals in your brain. Wash your lettuce leaves thoroughly under running water. Soak them in clean water for 3 minutes to remove any surface residue or particles. Then cut them into smaller pieces so they blend smoothly. Second, 1 fresh cucumber, your hydration powerhouse. Cucumbers deliver water, potassium, vitamin K, and antioxidants. Research published in Medical News Today indicates cucumbers contain cucurbitacins, compounds with anti-inflammatory properties that may support metabolic health. Peel your cucumber before slicing. This removes any wax coating and ensures smoother texture. Cut it into uniform slices for even blending. Third, 1 fresh lemon. Lemon provides vitamin C and acids that support digestion. Cut your lemon into small slices, keeping some peel which contains beneficial compounds. The acidity helps stimulate digestive enzyme production. Fourth, a small piece of fresh ginger, about 1 inch. This is your metabolic supporter. Based on the research, you want roughly 2 grams of ginger for optimal benefits. Peel the ginger and slice it thinly. Thin slices release more active compounds during blending.
Next, preparation instructions. Place all ingredients into a blender: the lettuce pieces, cucumber slices, lemon slices, and ginger pieces. Add 1 large cup of water, approximately 250 milliliters. This helps everything blend smoothly while adding to your hydration. Blend on high speed until completely smooth. This takes about 60 seconds.
A smooth consistency means nutrients are evenly distributed and easier for your body to absorb. You have two options now. Filter the drink through a strainer for smoother texture, removing pulp but keeping liquid nutrients, or drink it unfiltered to keep all the fiber, which supports digestion and fullness even more. Pour your drink into a clean glass bottle. Glass doesn't absorb odors or leach chemicals like some plastics can. Store it in your refrigerator. This quantity stays fresh for about 3 days when kept cold. Let me be direct about what this drink will and won't do for you. Honesty builds trust, and I want your trust. This drink will not melt belly fat by itself. It will not give you rapid weight loss. It will not replace the need for better nutrition and movement. What it will do, support your body's natural hydration, help reduce water retention based on the diuretic properties of potassium, support digestion through fiber, provide compounds that may enhance metabolic function when used consistently. Research participants in ginger studies typically saw modest weight loss, around 1 to 2 kilograms over 8 to 12 weeks when combined with no other dietary changes. Some people notice their clothes fit better without major style changes because they're losing water weight and reducing bloating. The key word is consistency. Drink this for 7 days as a trial. Notice how your body responds. Then continue if it helps you maintain healthier habits.
Next, how to use effectively. Drink 1 cup every morning before breakfast. Why before breakfast specifically? Because your digestive system is most receptive after overnight fasting. Your stomach is empty, your insulin is low, your body is primed to absorb nutrients efficiently. During sleep, your body goes into a fasted state. This is when cellular repair happens. When you wake, your body is ready to receive nutrients and put them to immediate use. This is the optimal window. When you drink this first thing in the morning, you're hydrating cells immediately after hours without water. You're providing fiber that will slow down the absorption of whatever you eat for breakfast, preventing blood sugar spikes that lead to energy crashes and cravings. You're giving your body compounds that support metabolism before adding calories from food. The timing matters for another reason. The 500 milliliters of water in this drink triggers that 30% metabolic increase we discussed from the research. When this happens before breakfast, your body burns calories more efficiently as you digest your morning meal. Continue this routine for 7 consecutive days minimum. 7 days gives your body time to adjust and respond. Your gut bacteria need time to adapt to increased fiber. Your kidneys need time to adjust their sodium-potassium balance. Your cells need time to improve their hydration status. You'll likely notice changes in how you feel before seeing changes in appearance. That's normal and expected. Internal changes happen first. External changes follow. After 7 days, assess how you feel. Is your digestion better? Do you feel less bloated? Is your energy more stable? Are you experiencing fewer cravings? These are the real indicators of whether this approach works for your unique body.
Next, safety considerations. This drink is safe for most people, but there are important cautions. If you take medication for blood pressure, diabetes, or blood thinning, consult your doctor first. Cucumber's potassium content and ginger can interact with certain medications. If you have kidney issues, be cautious with potassium-rich foods like cucumber. If you have acid reflux, the lemon might cause irritation. Try reducing the amount or removing it entirely. Listen to your body always. If something doesn't feel right, adjust your approach or stop. Next, what to expect. People who use this drink consistently report specific changes by day 3 or 4, reduced bloating, especially in the morning, more stable energy throughout the morning hours, no mid-morning energy crash, more regular digestion. But they also do something important. They don't rely on this drink alone. They use it as a tool that makes other healthy choices easier. They notice reduced hunger at breakfast, so they naturally eat less. They have more energy to take a morning walk or do light exercise. This creates a positive cycle. Better hydration leads to better energy.
Better energy leads to more movement. More movement leads to better results. The drink becomes the first domino that knocks down others. Your body is unique. What works for someone else might not work identically for you, but the principles are universal across all human biology. Hydration supports every cell in your body. Fiber supports your digestive system. Anti-inflammatory compounds support your metabolism. This drink combines all three in a simple, natural way. It's not magic or miracles, it's smart nutrition made accessible and easy. Small, consistent actions create lasting results. This drink is one small action. Make it part of your routine, support it with other healthy choices, and trust that your body knows how to respond when you give it what it needs. If this information makes sense to you, if you can see yourself trying this simple routine, press the like button right now. This tells us this content helps you and encourages us to create more evidence-based health information. If you know someone struggling with weight, bloating, or digestive issues, maybe your parents, a friend, or a family member, share this video with them. Sometimes the simplest strategies make the biggest difference. Type yes in the comments if you're going to try this for 7 days. We want to hear your results. Tell us how you feel after a week. Share what changes you notice. Your experience might inspire someone else to take action. Thank you for watching and investing time in your health. Remember, your body is the only place you have to live. Take care of it with consistency, patience, and respect for its natural wisdom.